I was approached by the City of Port St. Lucie to see if our institute would be willing to join the rest of the biotech institutes. What we felt was, instead of replicating what we had in Oregon, that if we could expand into the area of human immunology and build an institute here, that would be a nice fit. And with our human immunology experience, we would be able to interact with the institutes that were brought here as well as the universities.
VGTI Florida was designed by scientists.
One of the nice things about starting from scratch is that you start from scratch.
Not only was shaping the scientific development as a direction, but also in the building.
And it's a little bit like putting together an athletics team, though. I mean, you have to have a plan for how your team is going to be, but on the other hand, you have to draft the best athletes, and so it's always in flux.
The challenges were in who to recruit, what areas to go after, how to design an institute that would be around for a long time.
For the next couple of years, the idea is to complement what we have and to bring people together from different areas, cancer research, virology, immunology, working in people, doing clinical research, using systems biology. And so what we hope to create here is a synergy among these people so that it's bigger than the sum of its parts.
Our design of VGTI Florida was to translate findings that we have in Oregon in animal models and translate those findings into therapies that we can start implementing in humans.
We want to take the basic science innovation from the laboratory into the clinic to help citizens of Florida and beyond.
When you come here and you begin to see the science and the scientists take on a life of their own. And these are all just individual people trying to make their way in, and to watch them sort of come together to common purpose, and and to be able to see the productivity of those interactions, the synergies that arise from those minds getting together. That is probably the most gratifying aspect of all of this.
Unlike sort of a more traditional scientific advisory board, we're also from the sister side, so our role is also to bring people together to see how we can create collaborations between the Oregon side and here.
VGTI Florida is going to be one of the world-class top research institutes in its area.
We have all the tools you can dream of, and so there is no reason not to do top-notch science here.